Stop doing these 7 things if you want people to respect you. Let's be real. Most people don't lose respect because they're bad people. They lose it because of small habits, subtle things they do every day without realizing they're silently killing their image. You might be smart, you might be kind, but if people can't respect you, none of that matters. So if you've ever wondered why people don't take you seriously, or why you always feel overlooked, it's probably because of one of these 7 mistakes. Let's fix that. Here's the truth. Respect isn't something you ask for. It's something you command. People feel it when you walk into a room. It's the energy you carry, the boundaries you set, and the way you treat yourself. You can't fake it, but you can build it. And it starts with removing what destroys it. So let's break down the 7 habits that make people quietly lose respect for you, and how to turn it all around. Number 1. Saying sorry for everything. You bump into someone and before they can even react, you blurt out, "Oh, sorry, my bad." Sound familiar? Look, apologizing when you're wrong shows maturity. But over-apologizing? That screams insecurity. It tells people, "I don't trust myself." Imagine this, your coworker interrupts you during a meeting and you respond with, "Sorry, can I just say something?" You didn't do anything wrong, yet you're apologizing for existing. People subconsciously pick up on that energy. They start to see you as unsure, hesitant, and easy to overlook. Next time, replace sorry with thank you. Instead of "sorry I'm late," say "thanks for waiting." Small shift, massive impact. Number 2, explaining yourself too much. You don't owe everyone a full TED Talk for every decision you make. "I didn't text you back because my phone died and then I had to." Stop, you're not on trial. When you constantly justify every choice, it shows that you're seeking validation. People who respect themselves don't feel the need to explain everything. They say what they mean and they move on. Think about it. The more you explain, the more it sounds like an excuse. The more you chase approval, the more it slips away. If someone doesn't understand your boundaries or decisions, let them. Respect means standing firm even when others don't agree. Number 3, trying too hard to be liked. This one hurts because we've all done it. You laugh at jokes you don't find funny. You agree with things you don't believe. You try to fit in with people who don't even notice you. Here's the thing. People don't respect those who chase approval. They respect those who have a backbone. You can be kind and assertive. You can be friendly and have standards. When you try to make everyone like you, you dilute your personality. You become a copy of what people expect, not who you truly are. And deep down, people sense that. They can't respect someone who doesn't respect their own identity. Stop chasing likability. Start focusing on authenticity. The right people will be drawn to the real you, not the edited version. Number 4, letting people walk all over you. Every time you say yes when you really want to say no, you train people to disrespect you. You lend money to someone who never pays back. You take on extra work while others relax. You tolerate behavior that drains your energy. All because you don't want conflict. But here's the truth, you're not being nice. You're being afraid, and fear kills respect. Setting boundaries doesn't make you rude, it makes you respected. You don't have to shout or argue. Just calmly say, "That doesn't work for me," or "I can't do that right now." People might be surprised at first, even push back, but over time they'll start to see you differently. As someone with standards, someone who values their time, and when you respect your own boundaries, others will too. Number 5, gossiping about others. You might think talking about others makes you relatable, but it actually makes people question your loyalty. The person you gossip with knows you'll gossip about them next. Respectful people don't waste time tearing others down. They're too busy building themselves up. They don't need drama to feel significant. If you catch yourself about to gossip, stop and ask, "Would I say this if that person was here?" If not, keep it to yourself. Silence earns more respect than cheap words ever could. Remember, strong people discuss ideas. Weak people discuss other people. Number 6, playing the victim. Life is unfair, we all get that. But constantly blaming others for your situation, that's a fast track to losing respect. "I can't succeed because no one supports me. People always treat me badly. I just have bad luck." No, you have bad habits. People respect those who take responsibility, even when life isn't easy. Owning your situation doesn't mean everything is your fault. It means you have the power to change it. When you shift from, "Why is this happening to me?" to "What can I learn from this?" you instantly level up. You become the kind of person others look up to, not pity. Number 7, neglecting yourself. Respect starts with how you treat you. If you don't respect your own body, your time, or your goals, no one else will either. You can't demand respect while living like you don't deserve it. If you're always tired, always complaining, always putting yourself last, people won't see strength, they'll see neglect. Take care of your appearance. Speak clearly. Walk tall, set goals. Do things that make you proud of yourself. Because when you look and feel like someone who respects themselves, people can't help but respect you too. Now here's the takeaway. Respect isn't built on fancy clothes or loud confidence. It's built on behavior, on the tiny things you do every day that either say, "I value myself," or "I don't." So stop apologizing for existing. Stop explaining every decision. Stop trying to please everyone. Stop letting people cross your boundaries. Stop gossiping. Stop playing the victim. And stop neglecting yourself. When you remove those 7 habits, you'll notice something powerful. People start to treat you differently. They'll listen when you speak. They'll take you seriously. And most importantly, you'll start to respect yourself again. And once you respect yourself, everything else follows. Now I want you to ask yourself, which of these habits are you guilty of? Be honest. You can't change what you don't confront. Drop it in the comments and let's talk about it. If this video hit you a little harder than you expected, that's a good thing. It means you're ready to grow. So hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and keep working on becoming the kind of person people naturally respect. Because real respect always starts with you.